Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a craft. As Gitika Lumba, one of my subscribers, told me that she wants to know how to make a wall hanging. So this video is for her and others who want to know how to make craft. It's very easy. So you need to take 4 color papers and of any color. I took pink, blue and pink and blue. And you need glue, any glue. You need tape, any transparent tape or any glue tape, etc. And then you need scissors and you need thread. So let's start our video. So first you need to do this. So you need to first fold your one paper. First you need to keep your paper aside of the paper. Folding your paper at one side and one side like that. Yeah. And now you need to open it again, and then you need to fold it like this. And then fold it from the other side also. And then like this. Make sure its length, both length should be same on the same side, like this, or else your pin wheel might get strong. So the next step is you need to open it, and this side you need to fold it in further like this. You have to fold it. You have to fold it, and then you need to open it, and then fold it till here, like this. Yeah, and then we need to open it. So it will be like this, as you can see. And then we need to do the same thing to the other side. Fold it first, like this, and then open it, and then fold it till here, and then we need to do it till here, this part, and then fold it. Easy. And now open it, and then rotate it. Alright guys, and then you need to fold inwards and then outwards, like we do like paper fans, right? It's a wall hanging. It's the same process repeating. Yeah. Repeat it like this. Repeat it till it's done. And yeah, it's done. So you need to now fold in half. Like this. And you can either this side you can staple it with a stapler, and if you don't have a stapler, then you can easily take your glue, and then you need to keep it on the borders here, like this, and then you need to stick it properly. If one thing also goes wrong, then the pin will make it wrong, like this. Do it properly. Yeah, and then now open it, the blades, they are spreading like a fan, like this. See guys, so you need to make 3 more, and then you need to stick it with gum. So I have made few like this. You need to stick them also again. Do the same process for all the 3, like this. Stick them. And don't forget to close your glue cap, because the glue sometimes overfloods. And then stick it like this. And then half of the fan is done. You need to repeat the same process for the harvest of fan. And guys, make sure that you subscribe my channel while I'm making one more fan pinhole. pinwheel, and make sure that let's complete the 50 subscribers target fast, that I can announce the giveaway winner. It might be you too, anyone. And then more giveaways are coming very soon after this giveaway winner is released. And don't forget to press the bell icon, and don't forget to smash the like button, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the red color button below my video. So I did the half over here and half over here. So now we need to stick it. It's a very easy pinwheel. Who doesn't like pinwheel? You can even keep it for as a decoration for your mandap for Ganesh ji or any other god. It's very easy. And guys, there is one more tip. If with the glue your pinwheel doesn't stick up, then you can use your stapler if it is in need, and then you can just staple it up like over here. Anywhere you can do stapling. Now guys, you need to use your thread. So you need only some little thread. With the scissors help, you can cut a little bit of thread. And now with the help of the thread, you need to take your tape, transparent tape or glitter tape, and then again with the help of tape and scissors, you need to cut the tape. And taking your thread, or at one side you need to keep the tape like this. You can see this you need to keep, and then on the paper pinhole you need to just stick it at any point like this. How I did. And here the pinwheel is ready. It can be hung like this, and now you need to keep tape at the back end of the tape and thread. Let's do that. And now keep the thread the tape. And now let's see how does the wall hanging look like. So guys, this is one of my wall hanging. This is the type of like door I had, and then I hang the wall hanging over here. So how does it look? Pretty, right? The whole you can add like stationaries, like you can color it or add some stickers like that. So how is it looking? Pretty, right? Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Love you all.